having the fenders rolled tomorrow. There's a dude coming down from Oklahoma City to do that. I haven't really rolled fenders in a long time, probably like 12, 15 years, so I don't want to practice on this new baby. So yeah, I'm not taking a chance on that. But I'm also on the wheel search again because I bought some knockoff TEs, not knowing.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I'm looking for something like an 18 by 9.5 plus 22, 17 by 9 plus 15, somewhere in there. I'm not gonna do like this whole look, you know, the hot boy street style look. I'm gonna go for more like a time attack, like, you know, something that I can take out and through the mountains and really have some fun. I don't see the point of having two S chassis and they're both the exact same style, you know what I mean? If I want to be obnoxious and loud and low and everything that this car provides, and it provides it well, then I'll do that. But look how fresh this is. Told the guy no pull, just a roll. The fronts kind of already look like they're not rolled, but the way Nissan did it, it kind of look like that's gonna be pretty easy. Alright, so check this out. I'm still trying to figure out why I'm fucking with these old Nissans. Because look at this, dude. This shit is crazy, bro. It's my wife's car. Look at this. There's a whole vibe in here, bro. So here's something really cool, is you can come through here and you can change the color to anything that you want. You want it purple? That's blue, sorry. Here we go, purple. You want green? And then you can come through and do something cool like this. So as you're driving, it just changes. Goes through different colors and stuff. You can come up here. Like, let's do that, and then you can change the cluster. I mean, it's just crazy, bro. So my friend Clayton came up, and when he came up, he brought me these. They're raised Daytona 707s, 17 by 9 plus 20 something, and then the black ones are plus 30. They're gonna be perfect for this, so that way I can get the TEs off the car, so I don't do anything to them while I'm trying to sell them. I'm just gonna refinish them. I'm gonna do silver. That's what he's wanting, and I think also they probably look best, honestly. So super rad dude, man. I've known him for a long time. It was you know, it's like one of those things, is he was like an internet car friend that turned into a real friend. We try to meet up with each other, you know, several times a year, just to kind of, you know, keep that friendship going. Y'all probably know him from Executive 8. He's on a drift team called D Section now, and they do a lot of cool shit in Texas. So anyways, that's my dog. Now I'm off to help my dad work on his car. He has a 67 Camaro with a LS2? LS3?
If I recall correctly.
Anyways, we're gonna install basically a wire on his ECU that when the AC kicks on his car, the idle comes up, you know, like regular. So right now it doesn't. So, all right, let's go do that. All right, here she is. I just asked him, he said it was an LS3. So there you go, there's your answer.
Dwight, you're a kiss ass. Boom, roasted.
But yeah, it's super clean. Got the Nardi steering wheel. He has the full Dakota digital. Hey Pops, what gauge cluster is that? It's like the nice one. It's not this
RTX.
RTX. Yeah, I knew it was something. So yeah, like I was saying, we are trying to. He's already located the wire where it needs to go. So that way, when he turns on the AC, the idle picks up a little bit.
And if you pull this up and take a look at it, so this is all nice. So, but we know it's a blue and gray, and I just need to know what functions are, because all I literally have to do is just take and punch that wire into that computer, and then I'm done. Believe it or not. And then hook it up to this wire right here, which is going to the AC compressor. Send a signal from there to here. It says, boom, compressor's on, idle up.
Right.
And that's it.
Right. Okay.
As crazy as that seems, but I got to get the right one, or I'm going to burn up the computer. So I'll just say, that's the deal. So if it goes wrong, I can say, "What'd you do, Jason? You broke it."
No.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna pin this one
No,
to
man,
this one.
Don't be crazy now.
Yeah, you're good. They come up?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
No.
Turn it off. Hit it.
Watch, it'll come back, stabilize.
Yep.
It hits. Hold on. Right there. Brings it back up.
Yep. It dipped down and came back up. That's a fucking win, dude. Give the people a rev. That's so snappy, dude. Okay, well, we just finished my dad's car. Everything went well. It goes up a little bit. I would say probably like maybe 200 RPM, maybe. But I think he's gonna need a retune to, adjust the idle for the AC to come on. Luckily, the guy that tuned the car, we know him well, so he can come over with his laptop, throw it up there, raise it up when my dad hits the AC and stuff. So that's pretty easy. But now I'm going back to the house so that way I can start working on these arms on my car. It's hot. It's so freaking hot. So, wish me luck. But here we go. I'm going to raise the car up. Probably, I don't know. God, it's hard for me to raise the car up. Jeez. Can't believe I'm even saying this, but like maybe like 3/4 of an inch. Ugh, that's a lot. Just installing arms. Nothing crazy. On to the next side. So I got all the OEM arms off. Jesus Christ, they were tight. Good Lord. So what I'm gonna do is kind of just eyeball it, go off of like the lengths of each one. So like, you know, just kind of get close. So do something like this. Just get the lengths close, basically just line up the holes. And same thing for the tow arms and traction arms, and kind of just get close, like I said, and then hobble it to the alignment rack. So, ugh, man, the OEM bolts were tight. My God. All right. Okay, so she's getting close. I got the rear arms on. Front's looking pretty good. The rear, the camber obviously is out of control. I'm gonna let the guy at the alignment rack, you know, bring out the camber, probably like 0.5 or maybe like -1. Yeah, so it's just much faster for him to do it than me getting up and down and keep looking at it and stuff. So, but yeah, so we're getting close. All right, so I'm back from the alignment. That was Friday, now it's Sunday. Put the spacers back on the rear and haven't really shut the car off, honestly, all weekend. It drives amazing. Like I mentioned before, the coilover's a little rough in town, but once you get out on the highway, you know, and get on some nice curvy roads and stuff, they're pretty nice. But I'm gonna end up replacing them, probably with some Fortune Autos, just because on that car, they're amazing. So I know they'll be good for this. So I ended up doing -3 or -2.8 camber in the front, and then -1 and like 1.2 in the rear. But yeah, haven't really shut it off all weekend, honestly. And I know like the TE is like a really weak spec. I mean, dude, it's as good as those are gonna look. You know what I'm saying? If it did, maybe if it had like a fatter tire, but I don't know. It's still really weak spec, but you know, I mean, come on, bro. What are we talking about? I just love this car, man. I just absolutely love it. Everything feels more mature than my S13 Sylvia. I never realized how much more mature it felt. It feels more dialed. It just feels. It was a great like final version of the S chassis, I think. I mean, even the looks. Like, let's be real.